This is my lentil burger. I cooked lentils the other day, and then I put them in the mini food processor, and I had saved the stock from vegetables that I cooked because I make homemade vegetable stock for my dogs. Anyway, this is absolutely delicious. No meat. It looks like meatloaf. It looks like meatloaf. I am going to share the recipe in my link, on my link. Have a great day, everybody. Remember, less meat, less of a carbon footprint, less of cattle being transported, because there were only 3 major warehouses that produce meat that ship all over, and besides the imported meat, Kobe beef. Have a great night, everybody. And remember, stay hydrated. Happy, healthy holidays. I don't celebrate Christmas. No. From my home to your home. Have a healthy holiday season. And Roscoe sends his greetings too. Bye. My dogs say happy holiday too.